Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your SIM is active and either mobile data or Wi-Fi is available so the phone can reach carrier voicemail services. Open the phone app now and tap the three-dot menu or the voicemail icon in the dialer. This moves you into voicemail controls. You need your voicemail PIN or to be ready to create one when prompted because carriers often require verification. Once done, proceed to voicemail settings to choose visual or carrier voicemail and set your greeting. You tap Settings then Voicemail to view options. This is where you set the PIN and choose how messages arrive. Enter a secure PIN when prompted because it protects access and lets the carrier complete setup. Change it if you suspect compromise. Next, select a greeting, choose Default, record a custom message, or use Business Greeting if relevant. Make sure visual voicemail is enabled when available because it shows messages as a list and speeds playback and management. Save your voicemail settings and immediately test by calling your number from another phone and leaving a short message. This verifies PIN, greeting, and delivery. Once you get the notification, open the voicemail inbox or visual voicemail app and play the message to confirm audio quality and correct greeting. If you don't receive the test message, restart the phone, confirm mobile data or Wi-Fi, and check carrier voicemail activation. If still failing, call your carrier because many provisioning issues must be resolved on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.